This is awesome. I'm here in Japan, hanging out. First morning here, walking to my cooking class, just exploring. It's beautiful out, quiet, and just surreal. This is really, really surreal, and so I have that feeling again and again. Just I'm traveling and back at it, and it feels amazing. Nothing I'd rather be doing, and yeah, I'm just baseball fields. I love baseball. I'm in Japan. There's Shohei Ohtani photos everywhere. This is awesome. I love it. Like, what more can I ask for? Book your trip. I'm already here one day in, and I'm already saying book your trip. Come on, get over here. Amazing so far. I mean, 7-Eleven lives up to the hype, I'll say that. Good coffee. Do I know if I did this right remotely? No clue. I felt like I was holding up a line in there, so I tried to get out. No, very good, very cool. Just again, you get your cup of ice, you get your coffee, pour it in, and you're good to go.
Sugar? Just a scoop of this. Okay?
Vegetable. This is a winter vegetable.
Oh wow. Did someone say otters? That's an otter cafe. With the time of my life, these guys were super cute, just making noises, and they were fun. What more can you ask for? You know, a little cup of juice or coffee, and some otter fun. It was a great time. White truffle ramen. Could you imagine a better meal? Yeah, it was good, it was creamy, it was thick, full of flavor, and it was getting me started on the dumplings. So juicy. From good eats to amazing views of Mount Fuji. This is truly a really good day. You gotta see the amazing mountain, the volcano. And then we got lunch and this really cool show firsthand of a Japanese drum line. And these performers were going in. They were phenomenal. Some of them were family members too. And it was just really cool to get this experience after an amazing day of taking the sights. I mean, dinner, lunch, and a show. And look at those views. What more could I ask for?
Thank you, thank you.
Ground and wishing a good harvest for the year. In the training today,
3, 2, 1, yeah!
okay, everyone, keep your balance. Keep your balance.
I'm ready!
All together, just with your hand gestures, okay, everyone?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
let's be real. You're not going to Japan without getting some sushi, and who would I be without taking a sushi class course? Just me and the instructor one-on-one. We used our phones as a translator between the two of us, and it really was just so much fun getting to roll the rice up, learn the techniques, and just how much love goes into each roll they make. I mean, there's fishes here that I wouldn't normally touch or eat, but for the experience I had to, and it was well worth it, and it was absolutely delicious. Every single bite I could get down because there was so much food. And don't forget the homemade miso soup. It's the perfect touch on top of a cool morning. Have this, have some sushi. What more could I have asked for? I mean, it really was just an amazing experience. The one-on-one, the conversation, the food, absolutely phenomenal.
How do you usually like the poke pieces prepared?
I'm like medium
Too
rare.
personal? I don't know.
No, that's not. We're all friends here. I feel like I've known you guys for a long time. So.
I'll be honest, I haven't done floppy with many people, so
So this is a big one. Shout out to Bainbridge Island, Washington. You know where it's at. The 206, baby. Let's go!
Even after a great trip, the best part of coming home has to be that reaction from your puppy, who missed you all too much. Gone, great trip, but always excited to get to, see her again, come home, and just look back on this trip. And that's something I'm going to be doing for a very long time. And like I told you at the beginning of this video, what are you waiting for? Book your trip to Japan. I promise you, you won't regret it. I know I definitely didn't.